Nginx, we will also install certbot in order to generate a free certificate, SSL certificate. So cerbot install Debian. I believe we are under Debian 9 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Debian 9. So not a bash, we are going to use, yes, Debian 9. This is perfect. So what do we have to do? So install snapd. Okay, that's kind of new. Yeah, Debian. Okay, ready for sudo, yeah. I believe that will be all for this one. So let's go back and try to do the rest. So just to make sure, let's check the URL, the production URL. So yeah, you can see there is nothing there. Yeah, nothing there for now. Because there is no HTTP server active on the server. So that's done. So after that, what do we have to do? Blah blah blah. Snap install. Remove server auto. I will discard the step 4. I'm not sure it's necessary there. So after that, the same link. Oops, my bad. This is kind of, yeah. It's fine like that. Okay, hopefully some bots is okay then, I guess. Yep, I believe it's okay. So let's set up a basic Nginx vhost. Site available, we'll call it the file basic, and this is the local. This is the production server and this is the local. So I used to have a basic vhost configuration to bootstrap basic HTTP, set up a basic HTTP server on Nginx. So we'll do that first in order to generate our SSL certificate. Oh. No such file? What the heck? Okay, my bad, there is not. I will pick it somewhere else then. Just a sec. Yeah. So hopefully this will be fine. The name is not. Yeah, this is the right domain. Let's check our Nginx configuration is signed. No need of sudo. Okay, so service nginx start. Let's check out the status. Okay, everything is good. Now we will generate our certificate using cerbot. So in order to do that, I will need a specific command line. Yep. This one. Yeah, should be fine. So this command will stop the Nginx server, generate the certificate, and I believe I made a mistake. I did not enable the vhost. So I have to go in site enable, and I will remove the default and symlink the site available basic. Yeah, basic is okay. So start. I will restart the Nginx and relaunch the SSL certificate generation. Hopefully it will be okay. Okay. So just to be sure, let's check the vhost file to check that the certificate has been installed correctly by the command line. So yeah, so normally the vhost is up, the domain name is now up, I'm not sure. Yeah, so and this is generated by letsencrypt. It's the certificate. So you can see HTTP is alright and stuff. So